The Divoom Pixoo-64 redefines what digital creativity looks like in the modern age. More than just an LED panel, it's a smart 10.3-inch Wi-Fi pixel art display designed to blend technology, entertainment, and artistry into one sleek device. Whether you're a gamer, a streamer, a digital artist, or a decor enthusiast, the Pixoo-64 adds a dynamic, customizable edge to any setup. At first glance, the Pixoo-64 impresses with its minimalist, premium aesthetic. The 64 by 64 LED matrix, boasting over 4,000 programmable LEDs, is housed in a matte black frame that feels solid and refined. Despite its compact form factor, it commands attention, transforming your desk, wall, or gaming room into a vivid pixel art showcase. Behind its simplicity lies a powerful combination of Wi-Fi connectivity, cloud integration, and creative control via the Divoom mobile app, iOS/Android, ensuring that the Pixoo-64 is as functional as it is stylish. The Divoom Pixoo-64 stands out as one of the most versatile and inspiring LED displays available today. Whether you want to track your social stats, showcase your artistic flair, or add a splash of motion and color to your space, the Pixoo-64 delivers. Its combination of smart connectivity, active community, and constant feature updates makes it a future-ready companion for both tech enthusiasts and creatives alike. In short, the Pixoo-64 isn't just a screen. It's a living, glowing expression of your digital personality.